welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss use of A and N. Let's start. As you all know, the English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. Of these, A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the rest all are known as consonants. We use A before all consonant sounds and N before all vowel sounds. Use of A bus, a camel, a kite, a butterfly, a mango, a book. A striped shirt, a green leaf, a juicy orange, a broken window, a playful kitten, a hot bath. Use of an elephant, an iron, an apple, an ice cream, an ink, an aeroplane, an open umbrella, an ugly woman, an angry bull, an old man, an empty glass, an orange octopus. Bye bye friends. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.